Yes, this is after the hurricane. Watch it. Roof gone. See that? Roof gone. Roof gone. Roof gone. Debris all over the place. Look at my nice little soursop tree. All the way from St. Mary, me bring that soursop tree, you know. All the way from St. Mary. See what Melissa do to it there. It's just wreckage. Wall gone down too. Watch it. Debris. Yeah. Roof gone. Roof gone. Roof gone. It's thrown all about. You see that? Yeah, man, this is what Melissa come do. Come skin out and squirt pan we and fuck we up. Yeah. Roof gone. Debris everywhere. Zinc. Yeah. Let's check it out. Debris is thrown about. It toss up. What she do there? See all of that. All of that. Yeah, man. All of that. One zinc. Over the place. I can't see. All of the houses them now. See. My roof zinc come up here, so yeah. Them roof zinc a come off of my roof. Some all over the fence too. Check the roof. What did that? I see that. Roof gone. Yeah, man. The roof gone. Watch it. Look over there. Roof gone. Yeah, all of my roof gone, man. I know I'm telling there. A little piece of concrete them have to eat up, for the night. You see what she do. Where they ever couldn't see them house, I know. Trees that them covered. Now the whole place clear.